Yo, hey everybody, this is Complexity Crew. I'm just gonna show you how, like, when I was last night working on some music, I was mixing it, right? And I figure, like, it's better to, like, learn by seeing and how people do stuff, the process. And for this track right here, I did it in, like, an hour or two or something. But, there's some elements which need to be switched up, like, yeah. So I'm definitely gonna sidechain harder the drums under to the kick, because the kick is hitting pretty hard. But at some parts of the song, hold up, the drums take over. Like, check it out. As you see, I got, like, how many tracks filled with? Yeah, it's like automated, like 40 something tracks. So it takes time, man, patience, But if you like music, you'll do it for real. So let's let you guys hear how it sounds when I change the side chaining better, and I'm also gonna EQ it better so that the bass hits better and the kick is not overpowering. So I'll let you listen. Yeah, I'll probably not start talking again till the video's done. So enjoy, everybody. So yeah, everybody, if you liked this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, #ComplexityCrew, and check out ComplexityCrew.com, cause, like, on Christmas I'm dropping a new album called Volume 7. Peace.